My favorite part of the job is being able to create creative solutions. We're not stuck inside of a box, and we're not offering just a one-size-fits-all thing for everyone.
I feel really honored at the trust that contractors put in us when they have an issue or a problem. It could be lease related or not. They have the ability to call us, and they know that we're going to be in their corner.
So recently we had a contractor who had an issue, and we were able to get a truck turned around within a couple of days rather than the 3 weeks that he was told. So I love the fact that we're able to collaborate as a team, and with our contractors, we're able to all work together to meet a need, and that's really enjoyable.
HTL feels like a family because we really try to connect with the contractors. We've been in their shoes, and we can relate because we've been there.
We had a client who called us in an absolute panic because they had a stand-up date approaching in 5-ish days. They had been working with another fleet provider, and at the last minute, the trucks didn't come through. And they called us, and they were so worried they were gonna lose their contract with FedEx. And we were able to work at lightning speed. We got them approved, we got them through the process, and we got trucks on the road literally hours before their stand-up date to help them make sure that they were prepared for taking over that contract.
The favorite part of my job is the satisfaction I get when we're able to meet a customer's needs. They can be very stressed out at this time of their life, this time of their business, and being able to ease that burden for them is a very satisfying feeling.
I really love the community we've been able to create with our contractors.
I love being able to talk to contractors who can describe what they're experiencing and their problems, and I can craft something unique for them and say, well, let's change this a little bit and let's do this a little bit differently over here to get you exactly what you need.